Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short introduction, I'll tell you a little bit about who I am and what I've done in the past and how I can potentially help you. So I'm a PA, which stands for physician assistant, but it's similar to a doctor. I've been working in the emergency room, primary care, and urgent care for several years. And I've also spent a ton of time researching and learning about nutrition and fasting in particular, and I have a lot of personal experience with fasting. So I'm going to be sharing information to help you take control of your health using various tools, including nutritional changes, fasting, and other things like exercise and going to the sauna and improving your sleep and whatever it is that you're going to need to be able to improve your health and ultimately take control of your health. Especially if you have something like diabetes or prediabetes or high blood pressure, then the information I'll be sharing will be able to help you a lot. So I'll be sharing clips from some of the interviews that I've done with other people, which are often part of my podcast as well, but I'll share some clips here. And I'll also share videos of me explaining things, usually with a little bit better audio quality than what you're hearing here, because this is just my phone's built-in microphone at the moment. But it'll be better audio quality in the future, so don't worry about that, and maybe even better video quality. And so I'll be sharing that kind of stuff, talking about fasting, talking about nutrition, talking about other health-related things. And if you want to hear more from me, you can go check out my podcast. It's the FastingWell Podcast. I'll put a link in the video description, which you can see below. And you can also read my blog at FastingWell.com. So there's a bunch of extensive blog posts there that kind of walk you through beginner steps if you want to get started with fasting or other nutritional improvements, such as doing the ketogenic diet, for example. So go ahead and subscribe and sign up for notifications. I don't know if that bell is still a thing, but if it is, go ahead and click on that, and you'll be hearing from me again soon. Take care.